The last-minute suspense on Eknath Shinde continues. Will he or will he not take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister? Shiv Sena has told us that they are pleading with Shinde to take the Deputy CM post, but also made it very clear that if Shinde decides not to be a Deputy Chief Minister, not to be a part of the government, then there's no question of any Shiv Sena leader being a part of the government. So effectively, the Shiv Sena will provide support, but not be a part of the government. Now, Shiv Sena has said that Eknath Shinde is yet to take a decision, but he will agree if Prime Minister Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah ask him personally. Let's get you, in fact, a comment coming in from a senior Shiv Sena Neta, Deepak Kesarkar.
ये अनाउंस करना उनका प्रेरोगेटिव है। हम सब विधायक इकट्ठा होकर उनको कल शाम या रात को मिले। हमने क्लियर कट बोला है कि आपको आना चाहिए कैबिनेट में, उप मुख्यमंत्री पद स्वीकारना चाहिए और हम सबकी एक जिद है, आप नहीं होंगे तो कोई भी अंदर नहीं आएगा। तो उन्होंने पॉजिटिवली उसका विचार करने की मान्यता दी है और वो मोदी साहब का बहुत सुनते हैं, मोदी साहब और शाह साहब का। वहां से एक मैसेज भी आ जाए तो इसमें कुछ दुरा नहीं है कि उनकी बात वो कभी भी टालेंगे नहीं।
So you've got this Shiv Sena hoping essentially that Eknath Shinde agrees to be the Deputy Chief Minister. But if he chooses not to be, then the Shiv Sena making it very, very clear that they will not be a part of the government either. Let's get you more reactions.
माननीय एकनाथ शिंदे साहब ये उप मुख्यमंत्री की शपथ लेंगे, ऐसा हमें विश्वास है। हम सब लोगों ने जो उनके पास रिक्वेस्ट की है वो हमारी बात शायद ही टालेंगे नहीं और 5:30 बजे वो उप मुख्यमंत्री पद की शपथ लेंगे।
अगर वो नहीं बनते तो क्या आप लोग शपथ लेंगे? अगर वो नहीं बनते तो आप
वो उनके बारे में हमने सोच भी नहीं सकते। हमारा नेता इतना हमारी बात मानता है, ये विश्वास हमें है।
So a very emotional appeal there from Shiv Sena leader saying, we hope Eknath Shinde will agree. We hope he'll take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. There are also images that are doing the rounds, which we'll just put out, of the Shiv Sena's invite for the oath-taking ceremony to their own workers, to their cadre. There's no mention of Eknath Shinde taking oath. There's only a mention of Devendra Fadnavis taking oath as the Chief Minister. That's the invite right there. And that's what's further fueled speculation that Shinde is still not convinced that he should be taking oath as the Deputy CM. Let's bring in Ritwik Balekar for more details on this. Ritwik, I'm sure the entire Mahayuti right now is on tenterhooks. We're hours away from the swearing in and still don't know if there will be 2 Deputy Chief Ministers who will take oath.
Exactly, Akshita. See, these are the last-minute huddle which we are watching right now, right outside CM residence Varsha Bungalow. Be it Minister, former Minister Uday Samant, then there's Gulab Rao Patil, then there's Shambhuraj Desai, Deepak Kesarkar, all are queuing up at Varsha Bungalow to meet Eknath Shinde and convince him that just few hours are left. PM Modi will be attending the grand oath-taking ceremony, and there will be so many dignitaries which are invited. Nearly 25,000 people can be accommodated to attend this grand ceremony. But still, in Mahayuti, will Eknath Shinde be the part of the government, and will he take oath as Deputy CM is not yet cleared because clouds of uncertainty are still looming over it. And the only demand which is being made by Eknath Shinde faction is that along with Deputy CM post, they should get Home Department just the way Devendra Fadnavis held it for last 5 years. So they are still keen and they are still eyeing upon Home Department. Now we are hearing from the sources are that Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be landing at 3:30 p.m. In Mumbai, and then he will be heading to Sahyadri Guest House, which is just thrones away distance from Varsha Bungalow, CM's residence. So there might be a last-minute effort from Eknath Shinde faction to convince and try and reach out to Amit Shah, the high command of BJP, and they want to try to tell them that instead of deputy CM post, they are also looking for Home Department or
And
Finance
that's the
Department,
sticking
which is
point.
already
What
claimed
they
by,
want is a
Ajit
plump
Pawar.
portfolio. Eknath Shinde reportedly is okay with Deputy CM, but is saying that, look, what else am I getting? And the answer to that, the BJP says, is urban development. Shiv Sena wants much more than that. And that's why till the very last minute, we don't know what's going to play out. We don't know if Eknath Shinde will just be there as a part of the Mahayuti alliance or if he'll actually be a part of the government. It seemed clear yesterday that Eknath Shinde would be a part of the government, and it looked like he'd made up his mind to be the Deputy Chief Minister after repeated interventions from senior BJP leaders. But now the information we're picking up is that Shinde still hasn't made up his mind, and we showed you the kind of reactions coming in from Shiv Sena leaders who are essentially pleading with Shinde, saying we really hope he reconsiders, we really hope he will be a part of the government, because remember, the Shiv Sena is very clear. If Eknath Shinde is not going to be taking up the post of Deputy CM, there will be no Shiv Sena leader who will take oath or be a part of the government, which effectively means that the Shiv Sena will provide support, be a part of Mahayuti, but not be a part of the government. Let's get you more reactions.
कल तक ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो शपथ नहीं लेंगे, कोई तो भी हमारे में से डिप्टी सीएम होगा, लेकिन सभी विधायकों ने जाकर उनको यहाँ पर रिक्वेस्ट किया, उनको कहा कि आप खुद सरकार में आना चाहिए।
कहीं ना कहीं गृह विभाग मिलना चाहिए था, उसकी आस अभी भी लगी हुई है। क्या पेच फंसा हुआ है कि सुलझ गया है?
पेज सुलझ गया है। आखिर आपने देखा होगा कि 3 दिन पहले शिंदे साहब ने कहा था कि आदरणीय मोदी जी, आदरणीय शाह जी जो कहेंगे हम उसमें कुछ रुकावट नहीं करेंगे, हम सरकार में शामिल होंगे, लेकिन इतनी ही बात रुकी थी कि वो आएंगे नहीं आएंगे। वो भी कल के दिन देवेंद्र जी ने और विधायकों ने रिक्वेस्ट करने के बाद उन्होंने सरकार में आने का हाँ बोल दिया है।